In the last house episode, we left you with only a foundation, and clearly I have behind me a fully framed house. Welcome to episode 18, where we frame our house. Today, we are officially starting framing. Joel, we have stairs. We are just coming back into town from being gone for 2 or 3 days. This is how much they have done. I love it. And this is my room. I mean, this is a pretty cool view that once they start framing the second floor, hopefully this week, we won't ever get to see again. It's really cool to have a bird's eye view. You can see they've got the plywood up around some of the walls. Basement is basically finished and it has the sheeting around it, and then they just got done putting in the floor trusses. Here is just a view from the back. Kind of cool to see the beam. Joel, the beams are so cool to see. They are huge. So now that they have the floor trusses in, they're ready to frame the main floor. This might be a very windy update, but I'm covering the microphone with my hand and body, so hopefully it blocks some of the wind. We have a full slab of concrete here, and when I showed up on site, I said, Joel, did you double check and verify that it slants this way? And he said, absolutely. It goes from, what, 6 inches? I can't remember. Anyway, yes, the slope goes down. And he said that the concrete guys in each corner put an extra stick, whatever. They just put a little extra concrete so that the corners angle down to the middle of the garage, and then the middle of the garage angles out. And that is so important. And you want to know how I know it's important? Because we've had work done that was the opposite. So, you live, you learn, okay? Joel had them redo something. Apparently there was some shim work that Joel wasn't impressed with, and so because Joel was watching the Perkins Builder Brothers, he learned. And so together, Joel and the guys redid some stuff. So, all right, I don't know what that means. Flush on top. Joel did say, he's like, I'm so glad that I've been able to gain a little bit of experience with some of the projects that he's done, because he's just able to, do these little different things that just make the house that much better. I have no doubt that this thing is going to be structurally sound, because all the framers, anyone that comes to do work on the house, they're like, wow, this is engineered to the heavens. And yes, it is. And the reason it is because of all of the windows that I put in the house, because I wanted to take full advantage of the view, and so there is as big of windows as they could structurally do without going to steel. I came at such a great time. They are sticking up one of the walls. That's the wall to my office. That was kind of fun to watch them. Joel had sent me a picture of that far left north wall, and I said, that doesn't look quite right. You ought to double check the size of that window. Sure enough, there was some error somewhere. I don't know how it happened, but they took the wall down, they fixed the size of the window, and it is back up. Call me quality control, if you will. I'm sorry, is that electrical I see, Mr. Hoellein? I literally just saw those lights. Joel, are you kidding me?
What?
All the lights.
Yeah. The only thing I've got left is the salon and the main room.
Oh my word. Joel, I had no idea. Okay, Mr. Lights. Hi.
Yeah, we had to put them on Olivia's.
I cannot believe it. The amount of canned lights this man likes to use is, you know, unfathomable for some. We have more canned lights in one room than some people have in their entire house. And it's, you know, it's because Joel's a fan, you know? When you're passionate about something, oh my heck, I can't believe you did all this. Joel is passionate about canned lights, that I tell you. Look at all this wiring. Joel, are you kidding me? I cannot believe it. I can't believe you got all that done. So you are doing stuff when you're out here.
What do you think I'm doing? Just sitting and watching these guys? I mean, half the time.
No, I know. Let's eat. Cody, come in, let's eat. Oh, Lincoln, are you okay? The way I feel about this garage is I feel speechless. We've been having this one-car garage for as long as I've ever owned a home, and so to have this be our garage, I am speechless. The view from even the garage, you know, it's got me feeling a type of way, that's for sure. This morning, Joel sent me a picture and he said, here's your closet, which is this area right here. And here's the picture that Joel sent me. I just drove through a snowy canyon to get here because Joel said, the crane is going to be here first thing in the morning. I need you to come. It's going to be so cool. We came at such a good time. We as in you guys and myself. I can see that they are just bringing the garage trusses up. So if you've been watching any of Joel's videos, I believe he showed that they framed the trusses, the garage trusses, on the ground, and now they are craning it into place. Oh my word. I can see Joel down there filming. Oh, he's so cute. You guys, he is a happy papa. This is his baby. He comes home, tells me everything about the day, works on his today's task videos, and then when we're like winding down for the evening, he's watching framing YouTube videos. He's watching all sorts of housing YouTube videos. This guy is nonstop. He eats, sleeps, and breathes the construction of this house. And I couldn't be more thrilled. I'm so happy right now. This is the first time I've seen these stairs.
Your platform cute?
Yes.
Cute.
It is so fun seeing we have stairs going upstairs. I didn't know there was an upstairs yet.
You moved in 2 weeks.
Yeah, right.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. You told me we'd be done framing a month ago.
Well, our trust has put us behind a lot.
I guess I don't understand. That's my closet, but that's like right off the stairs. But that's because there's a wall right here, huh? Okay. Well, it's so weird to see this. Here's our bedroom. Here's our bathroom. Here's my closet.
Just sees what needs to get done and she just figures it out. She saw me pull up, knows I have to get out and undo my chains, so she just jumps over here, starts pulling those chains and getting them undone for me. Best worker I got. Next to you, huh, Susie Q? This is the one and only time you get to be Kevin McAllister in our house. This is it. Go for it. Oh, yeah. Work on the aim, not the force. It's okay, we don't need that board. You okay, bud?
The third floor is finally finished. Sometimes I think framing videos can be very confusing because it's really hard to know what you're looking at. I am upstairs, standing outside of my bedroom, looking down towards the entry of the home. Joel, we were quoted 6 weeks to get framed. How many weeks has it been? 20 weeks later, and we have a framed house. Now, here's the thing. 20 weeks later, and we do have a framed home, but not only a framed home. We have a fully wired home. The electrical, 80? Would you say 80? 75. Okay, we are 75% done with the electrical. I couldn't be more proud of you if I tried, Joel. To close the vlog, I'm going to face the windows in my bathroom. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to our house building journey, I will have the playlist listed in the description below. Make sure you click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos because they're gonna be good. They're gonna be good, folks.